Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Poppy Mobile. First, ensure you download the official game from your device's App Store, available for both Android and iOS. Once installed, you'll use the intuitive on-screen virtual buttons to move your character and interact with the environment. Poppy Mobile offers a unique blend of horror, challenging puzzles, and deep exploration within a mysterious toy factory setting. The Grab Pack is your most vital tool in Poppy Mobile. This wearable backpack comes with 2 artificial hands attached via steel wires. You'll use these hands to interact with various objects, pull levers, and open doors. Their lengthy, flexible wires allow you to grab items from afar, which is essential for many puzzles. Remember, the Grab Pack can also conduct electricity, a key mechanic for powering circuits and progressing through the factory. Gameplay in Poppy Mobile revolves around careful exploration and clever puzzle solving. You must thoroughly search each room and hallway for clues, items, and hidden pathways. Many puzzles require you to use your Grab Pack in creative ways, often involving multiple steps. Crucially, you must always be aware of your surroundings to avoid the vengeful toys, like Huggy Wuggy, who will relentlessly pursue you. To succeed in Poppy Mobile, keen observation is paramount. Solutions are often hidden in plain sight. Always think creatively about how your Grab Pack can be used, as its versatility is key to overcoming obstacles. Additionally, keep an eye out for scattered VHS tapes. These provide crucial lore and backstory, deepening your understanding of the factory's dark secrets and enhancing your overall immersive experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.